In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create email template in Zoho. By the end, you'll have a reusable email you can send consistently and professionally without rewriting the same message over and over. If you have permission to customize your CRM, you're good to go. Start on your Zoho CRM homepage. From here, look toward the top right for the settings gear icon and open it. The settings area can be dense, so zero in on the customization section. This is where you control how your CRM looks and behaves, including the templates you'll use across modules. Open Templates. You'll see options for different template types. Choose email if it isn't already selected, then create a new one. This is where the real work starts. Before you dive in, think about which module you'll use this template with. In the Select Module dropdown, choose the module that matches the records you'll email from. For this walkthrough, select Contacts. Choosing the right module is important because it determines which fields you can personalize inside the email. Once you've selected it, continue to the next screen. You'll land in the template gallery. Take a moment to browse. You can scroll through categories and designs, from simple transactional layouts to more visual, newsletter-style formats. Don't worry if the colors or images aren't perfect right now. What matters is the structure. Pick a layout that matches your purpose, like a clean announcement, a follow-up, or a holiday note. When you've found one that fits, select it to start editing. First, give your template a clear, descriptive name. Use a naming convention that makes it easy to find later, such as purpose, audience, version, for example, follow-up, contacts, V1. A consistent naming scheme helps teammates and future you quickly identify the right template. Next, add your subject line. Keep it concise and specific. Aim for clarity over cleverness and avoid spammy phrases and excessive punctuation. If it's time-sensitive or value-focused, make that obvious in the subject so recipients know what to expect at a glance. Now customize the body. On the left side panel, open all components if it isn't already visible. This is where you can drag in text blocks, images, buttons, dividers, and other elements to build your email. Edit any placeholder text to match your message, adjusting fonts, colors, and spacing to align with your brand. For personalization, insert field placeholders from the module, like first name, company, or owner details, so each email feels tailored without manual editing. Keep paragraphs short, use clear headings where appropriate, and make your call to action stand out with a well-labeled button. If you add images, compress them for faster loading, include alt text for accessibility, and link buttons to the right destination. Make sure the design still looks good with images off, since some recipients block them by default. And keep your layout mobile-friendly by keeping lines short, buttons large, and critical content toward the top. As you refine the copy, focus on a single purpose, what you want the recipient to do next. That focus will guide your call to action and keep the email from feeling cluttered. Also, double-check any merge fields to ensure they're pulling from the correct module fields to prevent blanks or mismatched data. When you're satisfied with the content and formatting, save your work. Use the Save option to capture your changes, then confirm with Save Now to finalize. Don't navigate away until you see confirmation that the save is complete. You'll be prompted to organize the template. Open the Select Folder dropdown and choose the folder where this template belongs. Pick a folder your team uses for this type of message, such as marketing, sales, or operations, so everyone can find it easily. Good folder hygiene is crucial when you accumulate many templates. That's it. Your email template for the contacts module is now ready. The next time you compose an email from a contact record or build a campaign that uses contact data, you'll be able to pick this template, personalize as needed, and send with confidence. Thanks for following along, and happy templating.